Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of your iPhone automatically switching to speaker mode every time you answer a call, you are in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable the auto speaker feature on your iPhone, so your calls stay private and don't blast out loud unexpectedly. Let's get started. First, we will check your call audio routing settings. Here's how to do that. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. Now, tap on Touch section, then scroll down, tap on Call Audio Routing. By default, this setting should be set automatic. If it's set to speaker, your phone will automatically route all calls to the speaker. Go ahead and tap on Automatic to change it. Now, on Auto Answer Calls, tap on it. Then you can disable this feature. If the issue still happens even after changing that settings, it's a good idea to restart your iPhone just to ensure all settings refresh correctly. After starting, try calling your iPhone from another number or ask someone to call you. Check if it still switches to speaker automatically. If it stays on normal earpiece mode, congratulations, you've successfully fixed it. And that's it for today's tutorial. Disabling auto speaker on iPhone is quick, easy, and helps you maintain your privacy during calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you still have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.